My name is Cesar Peñuelo. I am single. I am from Tenjo, Cundinamarca. I am 43 years old. I am a flowers quality manager. I am studying agronomy at UNAM. I live in Tenjo. In my free time, I like to play soccer, sometimes play video games and reading. The main touristic places in Tenjo are the caverns, Colonial Temple, Faunáticos, Principal Park, Peña de Huayca. In this site, sometimes you can view ovnis. The typical food in my city is ajiaco and desserts. In Tenjo, there are many restaurants. For example, the farm, La Casona, the farm of grandfather, Parque Monarca, among others. The main celebrations in my city are in April, Birds of Tenjo, in July, Fairs and Parties, in August, Farmers' Day, in September, Festival de la Urbana, in October, Departamental Theater Festival, in November, Plastic Art Season, and Festival Gastronómico El Convite. In my city, I can every Sunday in the park. This is sale of products called El Fuchugo de las Niguas. They sell plants, decorations, desserts, handicraft, also wall decades, and many people ride bicycles. Thank you.